Text, Terra Vista, the apartment community development from above. There is a circular driveway and a glimpse of a pool. There is a concrete sidewalk leading to the front entrance of an apartment where large planters full of flowers sit on brick half walls. There is a gym with treadmills and weight machines and mirrors on one wall, a sidewalk lined with foliage-covered arches, then a pool patio with hot tub, chaise lounges, and chairs around tables with umbrellas. There is a playground near the fenced-in pool. There is a picnic table and grill. The apartment community from above. There is a larger pool in the distance. There is a park and a larger playground. There is a public transportation hub. Sign says information, MTS Rapid Map, Heritage Station. Shops line the streets. There is a kids depot, Gotiques and Mexican restaurant, Tortafruit, Sharp Reese Steely Medical Group. Brief images of the apartment community's amenities. Brief images of nearby businesses. The pool and patio at the apartment community. The larger area around the apartment community. Palm trees line the streets, and there are hills in the background.